YouTube. Where have I been? I've been nowhere. I've been chilling. I've been yard selling. I've been estate selling. I just been kind of in my own lane, bro. I just had a, I posted for years and years and years and just got kind of burnt out. I'm not gonna lie. Still selling on eBay, still doing everything. Actually, the break was I had a bunch of stuff in my storage unit and I wanted to sell a bunch. Get all my stuff down before I bought other things. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was working a lot of hours at work and wasn't able to list, but I kept buying. And you know how it is. Your death pile goes crazy. So I said I wanted to work on the death pile and then get back to posting videos. You know, when you first start posting on YouTube and you're trying to grow your audience, you feel like you gotta post and just find content and do content because you're trying to grow your channel, right? The thing is, you still need to do the other stuff on the back end, like lists and stuff, so you can get the stuff in, move it out, get the stuff in, move it out. And I was getting the stuff in, but I wasn't moving it out. I was moving it out, I was buying more than I was selling, right? And not because it didn't sell, because I sell all the time. I do real good on eBay. But I just didn't have time to list because of my main job. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. Your boy's back. You're still doing the same thing. I just thought I'd do a video of explaining why I haven't posted in a while. I mean, it's been probably 8 months, almost a year since I posted. And those specific reasons, your boy just wanted to kind of, you know what I'm saying, declutter. So, and I guess, look at this stuff. This is my storage unit. It's not as bad as it looks, you know what I'm saying? Because I got a lot of stuff in the house and stuff that I'm not selling, but I got a lot of stuff that needs to be sold in here too as well, right? So I guess today y'all can just kind of sit with me and see what type of things I want to put on Whatnot. Look, the easiest thing to do, especially when you're dealing with Whatnot, is to bring my phone in here, set it up, and just do some auctions, right? But look at that. I don't know if you can tell. Look at the top of the screen. No service. So I can't do that. I got to take whatever I want to take in here, take it home, and have to go through all that. And it'd be good if I could just run a show right here and take whatever I sell to the crib, pack it, and move it. But your boy can't do that. So let's find some stuff. Try some Camel sunglasses. Say hello. These are some Camel fleece shorts. 1990s, brand new in box. Doro coffee cup. Open, close sign, Camel. We have a banner of some sorts. Let's open it up. Okay, I ain't gonna open all the way up, but it says Camel GT. It's like 9 foot long. It's a nice banner. We got some flip lighters. I have to check, but I know these are brand new. But they've been in here so long. A lot of them, the lighter fluid all evaporated out. But these are some great lighters. So, got Winston bar mat. That's nice. We got some Paul Mall tin cans. Got a nice in-box, new old stock t-shirt. Salem t-shirt. Got one of them Tyvek jackets. It's a fresh Salem one. Pretty nice. It's crazy. A lot of this stuff that you see here, if you bought cigarettes or if you're a cigarette smoker back in the day, you got a lot of it for free. Like this right here says, look, free with a carton of cigarettes. They don't give stuff like that away no more. But back in the day, I mean, if you smoke cigarettes, you had all the accessories, t-shirts, mugs, everything. Yeah, we got all kind of stuff. A new mug, some lighters, glasses, a 6-pack koozie for beers. We're gonna throw all that in there. Got the drinking Camel GT. This is actually pretty nice. 90s. Ain't never been drunk out of. Some type of Turkish display for Camel cigarettes. Pretty nice. Put that on. Alright, back home. Just want to kind of show you a little bit of what I got, which I pretty much showed you. Banners, Old new stock t-shirts, old new stock lighters. What's that, a metal match? Towels, you know, scarves, hats, etc, etc, etc. Bags. It's gonna be a great show. Can y'all see me? So yeah, I just want to get back on her, kind of tell y'all where I've been. I really didn't tell y'all where I was, did I? Pretty much just been working, living life. Ain't been doing nothing out the ordinary. So yeah, make sure you follow me on Whatnot, because the show's coming soon. I will put the link in the description. Follow me, because I'm gonna have a lot of these shows. So I got more of this. I got all kinds of other things, and yeah, your boy's about to be a nice little auctioneer. You understand what I'm saying? Plus, estate sales, your sales, all that stuff coming soon. You know, right now it's snowing in Kentucky. No your sales going on, but estate sales are going on. And I'm in the storage unit buying tip a little bit, and I think I got one that I'm about to purchase here soon, so stay tuned for that. And just stay tuned for everything. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Anyway, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Tell everybody I'm back. I'm sure my engagement's gonna be down because I haven't posted in months and months and months, but I'm gonna get it back because your boy's about to start posting like crazy. Y'all be good. Peace.